Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best shower mold cleaners available on the market today. If you're tired of battling mold and mildew in your bathroom and want effective solutions, you're in the right place. We'll compare their features, performance, and value for money, so you can decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the countdown. Starting off at number 5, we have the Bombvez Electric Spin Scrubber. Now, this isn't your traditional mold cleaner. It's a powerful cleaning tool designed to tackle stubborn grime and mildew with ease. Its standout feature is its cordless design, which paired with an impressive 5,000 mAh battery, allows for up to 90 minutes of runtime. Add to that the dual-speed motor, adjustable length options, and 8 replaceable brush heads. And you have a versatile cleaning machine that can handle everything from shower tiles to vehicle tires. In terms of design, the Bombvez scrubber is ergonomic and lightweight, making it easy to use for extended periods. The adjustable handle lengths, ranging from 12 to 54 inches, are particularly useful for reaching high or tight spaces. Performance-wise, it does an excellent job at scrubbing away surface-level mold and mildew without the need for harsh chemicals. However, it's important to note that this product is more of a physical cleaning tool than a chemical cleaner, so it may require some effort for deeply ingrained mold. While it's a fantastic option for those looking for an eco-friendly and reusable solution, its higher price point and reliance on manual operation may not suit everyone. If you're someone who prefers a high-tech approach to cleaning or struggles with physical scrubbing, this might be worth considering, but it's not the most convenient option for quick mold removal. Pros include its versatility, build quality, and long battery life, while cons are its limited effectiveness on deeply rooted mold and mildew stains. Coming in at number 4, we have the Gelevable Mold Remover Gel. This product is a unique bleach-free gel formula that clings to surfaces, making it ideal for targeted mold removal. Whether you're dealing with mold on tiles, silicone sealants, or even refrigerator strips, this product is designed to work quickly and effectively. Simply apply the gel, wait 3 to 5 hours, and rinse it off. No heavy scrubbing required. The gel formulation is a standout feature, as it allows the product to stay in place on vertical surfaces, ensuring that the active ingredients have enough time to work. It's also safe to use, being both bleach-free and biodegradable, which is a big plus for environmentally conscious consumers. Performance-wise, it excels in removing surface-level stains, but it may struggle with deeply ingrained mold, especially in porous materials like grout. The 4-ounce size is compact and easy to store, but it might not last long for larger cleaning projects. This product is perfect for those who want a targeted, easy-to-use solution for small to medium mold problems. However, its limited size and less aggressive formulation compared to bleach-based cleaners might not suit everyone. The pros include its gel consistency, environmental safety, and ease of use, while the cons are its small size and reduced effectiveness on deeply rooted mold stains. At number 3, we have the Concrobium Mold Control Spray. This is a bleach-free, odorless solution that not only eliminates existing mold, but also prevents future growth with an invisible protective barrier. It's EPA-registered and safe to use on a wide range of surfaces, from drywall and wood to tile and grout, making it one of the most versatile products on this list. What sets Concrobium apart is its health-conscious formulation. It's free of volatile organic compounds, VOCs, making it ideal for those concerned about indoor air quality. The 32-ounce spray bottle is easy to use, allowing for both targeted spot treatments and larger surface applications. While it doesn't provide the instant stain removal power of bleach-based cleaners, its long-term prevention capabilities make it a standout option for ongoing mold management. This product is best for those who prioritize safety and long-term mold prevention over immediate results. It's a great choice for households with kids, pets, or anyone sensitive to strong chemicals. Pros include its non-toxic formula, versatility, and preventive effectiveness, while cons are its slower action on stains and higher price point compared to other options. Taking the number 2 spot is the Scrubbing Bubbles Foaming Bleach Bathroom Cleaner. This product combines the power of bleach with a foaming action that clings to surfaces, making it highly effective at removing mold, mildew, and soap scum. The dual 32-ounce bottles provide plenty of product to tackle even the toughest bathroom cleaning jobs. The foaming formula is a game changer, as it allows the product to stay in place on vertical surfaces like shower walls and doors, giving it time to break down stains. It's also versatile, working on everything from tubs and tiles to chrome and stainless steel fixtures. The citrus scent helps mask the strong bleach odor, although it might still be off-putting to some users. Performance-wise, it's one of the fastest and most effective options for visible mold and mildew stains. But it's not as eco-friendly or safe as bleach-free alternatives. This product is ideal for those who need a heavy-duty cleaner that delivers quick, dramatic results. If you're dealing with tough stains and want a product that works fast, this is a fantastic choice. Pros include its powerful stain removal, foaming action, and large quantity, while cons are its strong bleach smell and potential for discoloration on some surfaces. And finally, taking the #1 spot is the Tilex Mold and Mildew Remover. This classic cleaner is a household favorite for a reason. It kills 99.9% of household mold and mildew on contact and eliminates stains without the need for scrubbing. Powered by Clorox bleach, it's incredibly effective at tackling even the toughest stains, leaving your bathroom looking fresh and clean. In terms of design, the dual-pack 16-ounce bottles are compact and easy to handle, making them perfect for both small touch-ups and larger cleaning tasks. The bleach-based formula works quickly, often showing visible results in seconds. While it's not the most eco-friendly option, its sheer effectiveness makes it hard to beat. Just be sure to use it in a well-ventilated area and avoid using it on delicate or porous surfaces, as the bleach can cause discoloration. Tilex is the perfect choice for anyone looking for a no-nonsense cleaner that gets the job done fast. It's especially useful for bathrooms with heavy mold or mildew buildup. Pros include its powerful cleaning action, ease of use, and reliable brand reputation, while cons are the strong bleach odor and potential for surface damage if not used carefully. Overall, it's a highly effective and trusted product that lives up to its reputation. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect shower mold cleaner for your needs. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments which product you're leaning towards, or if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video.